Okay, Sammy, what do you want me to do? Where do you want me to go?
Here. Okay.
You want me to be right there? Okay, here I am.
Okay.
What are we going to do? You can put lipstick on me?
Yeah.
How do you want me to put my lips?
Right.
Like this?
No.
No?
Yes.
Okay. Shouldn't you look at my lips while you're doing it?
Yeah. I don't know.
Look at my lips. You need to look at my lips while you're putting it on me.
Yeah, better.
How do I look?
Beautiful. You're
I look beautiful. Thank you.
welcome.
Let's see yours.
Yeah.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.